In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can use your WhatsApp right in your laptop or your PC using WhatsApp Web. If you are someone who constantly need your documents or messages from your WhatsApp on your desktop, then this is the best way to go. So let's get started. Head over to web.whatsapp.com. Now there are two ways to log into your account. First, you can either use your WhatsApp mobile application where you'll click on the three dots button, then click on the link devices option, and then you'll have to select the link on device button. It will open up a camera. You'll have to give it the fingerprint, face, or even your password, and then all you need to do is point your camera towards the laptop screen and it will start loading up your WhatsApp onto your WhatsApp web. If that's throwing any kind of errors, then what you can do is use the second option, which is to log in with your number. Just click on this tab right here. It will ask you to enter in your number, and that will give you a notification like such in your mobile application. So just click on that. It will ask you whether or not you are trying to link a device with your WhatsApp. Click on confirm, and then again you have to give any kind of password or confirmation that it's you, and then you'll have to copy the code that has been displayed on your laptop screen and enter it into your mobile screen like this. And once you do that, it will load up your messages and it would be reflected in your laptop as well. Alright, now inside your WhatsApp web, that was the first step to actually log into your account. Now here you can see all of your chats, all of your groups, messages, etc. Also, if you take a look at your left hand sidebar, you can see your statuses and your channels here as well. And lastly, you get your communities over here. And the best part is that you get your Meta AI right over here, which lets you talk to it, ask it about anything and everything. Also, if you want to customize any settings, simply click on your profile button over here. It will give you the different settings all in here. You've got your profile, account settings, privacy, chats, etc., etc., the same as the mobile application. And for medias, all of your WhatsApp media, you can simply click on this button right here and it will show up the WhatsApp media of your WhatsApp right on there. Now for the navigation, it is similar to the mobile application. You can add in files and folders, attachment from clicking on this add button over here. You can upload documents, photos, add in a camera image, audio, contact, even a poll or a new sticker. As for the emojis and sticker as well as GIFs, simply click on this button. It will let you add any of those to your text. And similar to the mobile application, you've got your voice recorder over here from which you can record any voice messages and send it over. Now, to react to any of your messages, simply hover over it. You'll see this emoji button right next to it. Click on that. It will show up the options for the reaction and simply choose the reaction that you want to give, and that's it. Now for this chat settings, simply click on three dot buttons and it will show up all the different settings for your chat. Like if you wanna add it to your favorites, close the chat, block the chat, clear it, delete the chat, etc., etc. Like right now this is a business chat, so that's different. Also, if you want to receive calls or make calls from your WhatsApp web, then you need to download the WhatsApp application for Windows and it will notify you whenever you get a call, which is more convenient for you. So that's how you get your WhatsApp mobile application onto your Windows. Hope that has helped, and I'll see you in the next one.